Hi everyone, my name is Wyatt and I hope you like my protein peanut cookie recipe video. I started to share my protein-based recipes online about 5 years ago, and having great photos really helps to bring in more fans. Today I'm going to share with you how I maintain my Instagram through beautiful photos and videos. The first tip is to share the lesser seen footage. I love taking time lapses and it always gives me goosebumps when I see one. It amazes people when you show them the details of your bakes. I'm going to show you how I make beautiful time lapse on my EOS M50. Place your camera on a tripod and put it close to your oven and tilt your camera pointing to the food. And since I'm only baking for a short 10 minutes, I will set my camera to take a shot every 3 seconds to get better time-lapse results. Ooh, feeling hungry? As right now I'm spending most of my time running my cafe, my busy work schedule makes it difficult for me to maintain my Instagram. The second tip I'll be sharing with you is the convenience of uploading photos. After taking photos on my EOS M50, I can simply transfer it to my phone using the Canon Camera Connect app, and from there, I can easily upload my latest food creation onto my Instagram. It's that simple. Get creative with your shots. As I'm into strength and fitness, I like to portray the masculine side of my food. You can get creative with your own photos too. Hope you like these photography tips I shared. Thanks for watching and keep snapping.
Hello there, I'm Gale and hope you have watched my baking video, Lovely Chocolate Cuppies. Prior to becoming a professional baking instructor, I ran an award-winning food blog, The Domestic Goddess Wannabe. For the past 7 years, with over 600 recipes from cooking to baking, with clear photos detailing step-by-step instructions on how to achieve successful results every time you step in the kitchen. A good photo is the first ingredient to a successful blog, so now I'm going to teach you a few tips to get great-looking food photos. My first tip is to style your food to a theme. Since this is a Valentine's Day theme, I shall put some hearts, tea towels and raspberries around the main subject to give the photo some texture. The second tip will be lighting. Make sure you have good lighting when taking your photos. It is best to use natural daylight from the window, but since it is raining now, I shall use a portable light to pretend that it is sunlight shining through the window of my home. In addition, I'll change to a zoom lens on my M50 so that I can get closer to my subject and create a very nice blurry background. One thing I love about my new M50 is that it is light and compact, which means I can easily carry it with me anywhere. This camera is perfect for the ladies. I hope you have learned some useful tips from me on how to achieve beautiful food photos. Head over to my blog, The Domestic Goddess Wannabe, if you want to learn a new recipe or see more beautiful food photos. Thanks for watching and keep snapping.